Ready when I am. I'm ready to rock and roll. What do we got today, guys? We've got a SR Hilux, right? Now, but that we are going to be focusing on a little bit closer is going to be how to get the roof platform and the backbone fitted on one of these current generation SR Hiluxes. This video will also be applicable to any of you SR5 owners out there. So if you want to have a peruse as to how to do that, peruse, I like that word. Right, so one of our platforms with the backbone mounted, 600 bucks supplied. You heard it here first. That's probably the cheapest platform with backbone style mount in the country. So if you want to grab one of those, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, let's get into it. guys, Chris from Oz Canopies and 4x4, the gentleman from the start of the video. Wait, was I on the start? Yeah, I was at the start of this video. Well, I got my brain's all turned to mush. It's the four-wheel drive industry, seeing a Hilux here, Ranger there. Anyway, we've got the platform fitted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the process of getting this one on there, right? Up to 300 kilograms loading capacity. Well, no, that's when it's actually applied on a steel canopy. And when it comes to getting it fitted on the roof, you've got up to 150 kilogram static load. Obviously, always double check with your vehicle's manufacturer, in this case Toyota, to see exactly what these ditch molds are rated to. I think on the Hilux, it is actually 100 kilograms, but double check that online. You guys have got Google, why are you guys asking me? That, guys, if you want a platform, a tow bar, or any other bits and pieces for your ute, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. It's Chris. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.